Yep, definitely raining cats, dogs, chickens, horses, salamanders, crickets, goats, everything. Yeah, whoever said Oklahoma's a wet state, man, I'll tell you. I just want to show you something here real quick with my 12-volt backyard solar generator system and TV. It's raining out here, and I got this cover for it, and I'll walk over there and I'll show you here in a second. But I also see how I got the ammo cans underneath the plastic right there, and right below it is the subwoofer for the sound bar, which is right up here, and that's protected right there with that reflectic stuff too. But I have no issues with this rain and keeping things dry. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk over there. Hopefully this comes out. And I'll show you the back side of the TV. Oh man, it is sopping freaking wet out here. You see there? I also got this thing mounted on there now, but no issues with rain coming down on it. And I'm getting really wet right now. But it's a really good cover. I also sprayed it with that Scotchgard's outdoor camping stuff, just for a little added protection. You see here? That's all dry underneath there. I'm getting freaking sopping wet right now. And I just leave everything on here. So there you have it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Love the rain. Definitely need it. But to make everything grow. This year has just been not bad. Record rainfall the other day too. Look at that. It rains or pours. I got a little helper right down here too. Hey Clyde! Clyde! Hey buddy! Alright guys, we'll see you later. There's my rain collection system right there. That's overflowing. Look at that come down. Yeehaw!
What condition my condition was in? I woke up this morning with the sun